Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing with you. I got a pair of sandals or heels from Gucci and I just want to share them with you guys. So let's get started with it. So guys, this is what I got from Gucci. This is the box and I actually got this last year and I still haven't used this. So this is their beautiful box. Yeah, and this is it. Okay, so I have this. Now I think they're care instructions. Got that, and then this is by the way, the dust bag is absolutely gorgeous. It feels so smooth, and we have this their brand here, their logo. And then this is it. This is it. So this is actually rose gold, and you see that it's beautiful. I haven't used this. You see that we have the GG logo here, and look at that. I think this is their from their Marmont line. It's a beautiful color. It's rose gold, and it looks like the wrinkled what do you call this, paper. We have that, and it's a block heel, and it is in size 36, and you have the gold plated Gucci logo in here. It's so beautiful. Love it. And made in Italy. I love it. And we have the Gucci logo here again, and that's inside. Okay, see that it's inside here. There you have it. So the same thing with this one. Beautiful. There. Same thing. Just love it. So cute. I cannot wait to wear this actually. I've just been waiting to do a video just so I could start wearing it. Yeah. Okay, there you have it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on my feet in a bit. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like on my feet. See, it's not painful. I like it. That's why I chose the block heel, and it's not too tall. See, and it fits perfectly. Okay, so there you guys have it. So let me know what you think of this pair, and if you have any questions, suggestions, comments, just comment them down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.